everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT 2 Pro, and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So first of all, let's enter the camera app, and as you can see right now we are in the standard photo mode. So we have to switch to the video one. Let's tap on it, and since you can see this red color inside the shutter button, it means that for sure you are on the video one. So now we can take a look at this option bar, and on the second position from the right we've got the resolution option. So let's tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options from which we can choose. Currently we've got 1080p option applied. As you can see, it is marked with this yellowish color, but we can set 720p, 4K or even 8K. So in order to change the resolution, you have to simply tap on the option like to use. So I will pick 8K, and as you can see we've got the info that the resolution has been changed. What's more, the icon is also changed, which means again that your device immediately applied the option, so right now it will record videos in chosen resolution. So basically this is it. This is how to change the video resolution in your REALME GT 2 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.